But we are also headed to the Milimani Law Courts where, apologies, not Milimani, but Kibera Law Courts in regards to the hearing of the case, the murder case, the Kasipul Member of Parliament murder case, Ong'ondo Were. Ruth Wambui is currently on standby to give us the latest. Over to you, Ruth.
Thank you so much, studio. We are coming to you live from Kibera Locus, whereby you understand the mention for a pre-bail application for the three suspects in the case of the murder of Kasipul MP Ong'ondo Were was being heard today at the Kibera Law Court before Justice Diana Kavesa. And today, the defense, led by Senior Counsel John Swaka, were applying for the three suspects to be released, to have a bail or a bond application today, because they have been in custody now. This is the 50th day since the murder of the MP, which occurred on 30th of April this year. And today, when the matter came up for mentioning, there emerged some objections from the prosecution, citing that the offense by the three accused who are before court is very dire, and that they should not be released on bond since investigations are still ongoing. However, the defense through prosecution counsel John Swaka cited that the third accused, whose name is Emoli Shigali, has lost his mother, who was here when the case was beginning, but the defense stated that due to the pressures of this matter, the mother for the third accused, and the defense was applying that if Shigali can be given an opportunity to attend burial, which has been stated or slated for somewhere next week. However, the Judge Diana Kavesa has declined the application, citing that the third accused will not be granted the opportunity, since that one will open a Pandora box that has never been witnessed, whereby an accused person who is facing murder charge is allowed to attend burial of their relative. So the judge has refused that the third accused will not attend the burial, and basing on that on 3rd June this year, when the matter came up for mentioning, the third accused threatened the prosecutor, and I will quote by his word, which is stated after the judge said that on that time, that was on 3rd June. The third accused, who is now bereaved, his mother has died, cited that day, and I quote, "Huyu ni nani mwenye hataki tuachiliwe? Huyu tutamuua." Those are the words that the third accused, Shigali Emoli, used in court, and the judge had the sentiments after he declined another application for them to be released on bond. So I think the judge has taken into consideration on the behavior of the accused person while he has been in custody, and even if he gave him and told him sorry for losing his mother, but the wheels of justice as we know it grind very slowly. So he will not be able to attend the burial of his mother, and the father who was in court present here has been told to be given the key to his son's Nairobi office to go and remove his items and take it to Western Kenya, where he resides. The matter now will be mentioned on 17th of July next month, when the probation officer is supposed to bring a report on the three accused persons, including Emoli Shigali, who is bereaved. That's when the court will regard or base the arguments from the probation officer on whether he will release them on bond from then. Back to you, studio. I'm following up on this matter very closely, and will update our viewers in our subsequent bulletin. Back to you, studio.
Thank you so much, Ruth Wamboi, there giving us an update in regards to the case pitting the three suspects linked to the murder of Kasipul Member of Parliament Charles Ong'ondo Were, who have been formally charged. And the three, Abel Ochieng, Elias Dave Carlo, William Shigali, and Edwin Odhiambo have appeared before Judge Diana Mochache and pleaded not guilty. Well, the case continues, as Ruth has informed us, and will be bringing us a more detailed and loaded account of what has transpired at those law courts.